Welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have received my swap back from my partners for the loaded envelope in the Made by You Facebook group. And this first one comes from Vanessa. And this is so pretty, guys. I need to show you. Look at this pin. Oh my gosh, isn't that just the cutest pin you have ever seen? It is so adorable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out and show you her box first. So I have not seen what's in here. I did get it a few days ago, but I have been busy with other things and I haven't had a chance to video this. And this is her box. Oh my gosh, that is super sturdy. And use it as storage. Oh my gosh, that is super thick. So she uses really pretty paper. I'm not sure where it's from. And then she's put a couple of puffy stickers in here, this cute purple pumpkin, and along with this ephemera, and this banner that is layered. It says Batty for You. She's got a bat right here, some trim along the top. She's got the eyelash trim around the box itself. Happy Halloween. That is so cute. And there we go. Handmade by Vanessa DLR. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. I like that. That's cute. She does not have a YouTube channel to where she makes videos, but that was her box to me. I love that. And in her swap, she has included, of course, the pen. And then she has included this cute rosette. Oh my gosh, look at that tiny little spider, guys. That is just the cutest little spider. So she has put a rosette at the bottom. Oh, it comes off. Oh, there we go. She has used a rosette at the bottom, and then she used some spider web, and then she popped this ephemera piece up on some more, popped it up for some dimension. And then she uses really pretty tinsel-like eyelash trim. That's so pretty. I haven't seen that one. It's so pretty. And then she put the little spider on the top. Super duper cute. Thank you, Vanessa. That is so cute. That is adorable. Thank you, ma'am. So that was her rosette. And look at this, guys. That is so cute. It's a memory dex card, a shaker. It's a big old witch hat. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. I can actually use this in front of a mini album as a focal point. Look at all those bits in there. She's got pumpkins and bats and eyeballs. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and it's really thick. So super cute. Oh my gosh, thank you, Vanessa. I love that. That is so cute. Thank you. And then she has included her bow, and it's a little bat bow. Oh gosh, this is like some kind of vinyl. That's so cute. It's a candy corn vinyl that she made the bow portion out of, and then she's got the bat wings with some paper that has embossed bats on it. So cute. Look at the paper, guys. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love that. That's different. I hadn't seen that. Of course, I haven't bought anything either, but that's so cute. Thank you, Vanessa. I love that. So that was her bow. And then she's included another rosette. Very similar to the first one. Oh, look at the little ghost here. That's so cute. So this is her rosette. So adorable. And then she has included her embellishment. This is a little coffin. And it's got a little ghosty in the front. It's got a tool bow, and then the spider web That's so cute. She's got it up on some dimension. She put it up on some dimension. Like she added dimension to it. That's super duper cute. Thank you, ma'am. And then here is a sequin mix. This is so cute, guys. It's got eyeballs and ghosts and bats and witches. That is so cute. I wonder where she got the little eyeballs. Those are cute. Look at those little eyeballs, guys. How cute are those? Oh, look at the tiny little clay bats. I think they're clay. Yeah, because they're pretty thick. Oh my gosh. That's a cute little mix, Vanessa. Thank you. Yeah, I think those are clay bats. Super duper cute. And then she has her envelope here. Happy Halloween to all, and to all a good fright. And in here, she's got all her die cuts. We've got a witch's broom, spooktacular. We've got some tombstones, witches hats, gold, silver. We have the spider web with the spider. We have this ephemera piece, cute little kitty cat. We've got the kitty cat. We've got a witch on a broom. I love it in gold. Happy Halloween. And we have smaller witches too. Are they the same? No, they're the same. They just look different. And then we have the ghosts. Super duper cute. More witches. And look at this bat. This bat is different, isn't it? Super cute. And happy Halloween. And happy Halloween. Another bat. Look at this spooky, the house with a graveyard next to it with a spooky tree. Here it is in black. How cute would this be? Let me see. Oh, that would be cute, wouldn't it? To layer it on top of each other. And then some more ephemera pieces. Let's party and eat. And there we go. Those are her ephemera pieces. Or her die cuts. So those were her die cuts in this cute little envelope. Thank you, Miss Vanessa. I love them. And then she has included a little ghost. And inside this ghost, she's got, oh, she sent me some little spiders. I like those. Thank you, Vanessa. I don't have any of those. And then she sent me some charms. Those are so cute. And look at the little mummy. How cute is the mummy? And then the bats. Super cute. And these are brads. How cute are these brads? Oh my goodness. Those are adorable. So super cute. Thank you, Vanessa. I love everything in here. I love everything in your entire package. Love that. And then her extra goodie. We'll see what that is. She has sent me a Halloween. It says made by Vanessa DLR. Let's see what this is. You can kind of tell already. She does sell handmade items, guys, and she comes up with some really cute stuff. And this one is a key ring with a card holder. How cute. She makes these. These are handmade. And this is the, the wrist part. So super cute. Key ring. Just love that. And here's her information. Crafty Nessa, Vanessa La Rosa, for your crafty needs. That is so, so cute. Oh my gosh. I love that. Super duper adorable. So that was her extra goodie to me. Okay guys, that was Vanessa. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot guys.